Ever wish you had a personal assistant to find your lost items? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to make that wish a reality, providing ultimate peace of mind for your most precious belongings. What truly sets these Bluetooth trackers apart is their incredible precision finding, utilizing Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your misplaced items with pinpoint accuracy on your iPhone. Imagine an arrow on your screen, showing the exact direction and distance, coupled with a helpful sound. No more frantic searching under cushions or in bags. Setting up these brilliant item finders is a breeze, literally a one-tap process with your iPhone, getting you connected and tracking in seconds. There's no complicated pairing, it just works seamlessly within the Apple ecosystem, adding unparalleled convenience to your everyday life, worried about spills or dusty environments. With an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, your AirTag can handle accidental drops into puddles or dusty adventures, offering robust durability. These aren't just any item trackers. They tap into the massive global Find My network, meaning if your item is far away, millions of Apple devices can help locate it anonymously. If you're ready to stop losing your keys, wallet, or backpack, click the Amazon link in the description to secure your Apple AirTag 4-pack today. This isn't just an accessory. It's a smart investment in convenience and security, arguably one of the best electronics purchases you'll make in 2025. For unparalleled item tracking and complete peace of mind, I wholeheartedly recommend the Apple AirTag. It's an absolute game changer for staying organized.